Let's take a moment to pause, breathe, and look up at a clear country night sky. Imagine yourself standing beneath a vast, endless expanse where stars are scattered everywhere you look, each one twinkling with its own unique light, each one a promise shining just for you. The universe above is alive with possibility, and every star is a gentle reminder that you are part of something infinite and beautiful. As you gaze upward, realize that the same light you see in the sky is also inside you. There's a universe of potential within your heart waiting to shine forth. You were born to be wealthy, not just in terms of money or material things, but in heart, in spirit, and in the joy you bring to the world. Your inner light is just as real, just as powerful as the stars above. Abundance isn't some distant dream or a prize you have to chase. It's your birthright, woven into the very fabric of who you are. Think of an acorn lying quietly on the forest floor. Inside that tiny seed is the blueprint for a mighty oak tree, roots, branches, leaves, and all. In the same way, you already have everything you need within you to grow, to thrive, and to become something magnificent. All it takes is nurturing your gifts and believing in your own potential. Sometimes, though, we forget about our own light. We might feel small, ordinary, or even invisible, especially when life gets tough. But remember, even the tiniest star adds to the beauty of the night sky. Your dreams, your talents, your unique perspective, they matter deeply. The world needs what only you can offer, and your presence makes a difference, no matter how quiet or humble it may seem. True wealth isn't just about what you have. It's about living with purpose, with passion, and with a sense of wonder. It's about feeling as limitless as that starry sky above you. You don't have to earn abundance or prove your worthiness. It's already yours, simply because you exist. The universe is generous, and it wants you to thrive. The journey of life is about rediscovering your own power, nurturing your dreams, and allowing yourself to grow and blossom. Just like a flower that opens under the gentle light of the stars, you are meant to unfold into the magnificent creation you truly are. Give yourself permission to dream big, to reach for the stars, and to become everything you're meant to be. Remember, the universe is always cheering you on, reflecting endless possibilities in the night sky. Every time you look up, let it remind you that you are supported, loved, and capable of anything. The stars above are a mirror for the light within you, limitless, beautiful, and full of hope. If we're all born with this potential, why does life feel so hard sometimes? Most of us were never taught how to tap into the energy around us. We learn math and history, but not how to listen to our hearts or shape our reality. We're taught to work, not to create a life. The universe responds to our feelings. Gratitude brings more to be grateful for. Worry brings more worry. Learning to work with this flow is the most important skill, and it's never too late to start. The first step is simply deciding you're ready to live differently and learn the steps. We all inherit beliefs from our families, ideas about money, success, and what's possible. These beliefs can become walls that keep us safe, but sometimes they box us in. Maybe you heard, "Money doesn't grow on trees," or "Dreaming big is foolish." These old stories aren't your fault, but they are your responsibility to change. You can renovate your life, knocking down limiting walls and building new beliefs. Pay attention to the stories you tell yourself. Are they echoes from the past or visions for your future? You have the power to replace old bricks with new beliefs. I am capable. The universe is on my side. Jim Rohn once said, "You can't change the wind, but you can change yourself." These words remind us that while we may not have control over every circumstance or challenge that comes our way, we always have the power to choose how we respond. Life is unpredictable, and sometimes the winds of fate blow in directions we never expected. But within that uncertainty lies our greatest strength, the ability to adapt, to grow, and to steer our own course. It's easy to blame circumstances, to point fingers at the world or at others for where we find ourselves. But real, lasting change begins the moment we decide to take responsibility for our own journey. When you accept that you are the one holding the reins, you unlock the door to transformation. You are the author of your next chapter. Every day is a blank page, waiting for you to write your story with intention and courage. The pen is in your hand, and the possibilities are as limitless as the stars above. If you don't like your current situation, remember that you can always change your response. You can choose a new direction, set new goals, and take small steps toward a brighter future. It's not about ignoring the challenges, but about facing them with resilience and hope. This isn't about blame, it's about empowerment. It's about realizing that you have the strength within you to shape your destiny, no matter where you start from. Take a moment to look honestly at your habits and choices. Are they moving you closer to your dreams or holding you back? Self-reflection is the first step toward meaningful change. Love yourself enough to make the changes needed for a happier, more abundant life. Growth can be uncomfortable, but it's also incredibly rewarding. You deserve to live a life that excites and fulfills you. Focus on what you can control: your thoughts, your actions, your attitude. When you shift your energy inward, you'll find that the world around you begins to shift as well. Become the captain of your own ship, adjusting your sails as needed. Life's journey is full of twists and turns, but with each decision, you steer closer to the life you truly want. True freedom and wealth begin the moment you take the reins of your own story. Embrace your power, trust your journey, and remember, the stars are always there to guide you. You can't expect a new harvest if you don't change the seeds you plant. Your mind is fertile soil. Your thoughts and actions are seeds. Plant kindness, positivity, and goodwill in every interaction. The universe mirrors your actions. What you give comes back multiplied. Add value to others' lives. Success and wealth follow those who serve. Don't chase money, chase making a difference. Every day ask, what seeds am I planting? Choose encouragement and gratitude over complaint. Start today, be kind, go the extra mile, listen deeply. Watch your world transform into a thriving garden of abundance. To receive more, you must first be willing to give. This isn't just about money. It's about giving time, kindness, and attention. When you give freely, you declare your faith in abundance. Be a channel, not a reservoir. Let good things flow through you. Give what you feel you lack: love, appreciation, opportunity. You don't have to be rich to be generous. Small acts matter. Giving shifts your focus from your needs to others' well-being. This outward focus attracts happiness and prosperity. Look for ways to give every day and watch the universe respond. Give joyfully, and abundance will flow back to you. If you want a different life, commit to lifelong learning. Your current life reflects your current knowledge and skills. To build a better future, expand your mind and learn new things. Self-education shapes your destiny. Seek out knowledge that helps you grow. The information you need is more accessible than ever. Learning new skills builds confidence and fuels your journey. You're defined by your willingness to learn, not just what you know. Get curious, ask questions, and learn from those ahead of you. Never believe you're too old or too busy to grow. Every new skill is a tool for building the life you were born to live. Our habits form the constellations of our lives. Success isn't one grand action, it's built from small, consistent habits. Take an honest look at your routines. Do they support your dreams? Start small. Pick one positive habit and commit for 30 days. Each day you follow through, you cast a vote for the person you want to become. Over time, small habits compound, creating an upward spiral of success. One habit can lead to another, building momentum. You are the astronomer of your life. Choose your habits wisely. Connect them with intention, and you'll create a brilliant constellation of success. Let your habits light up your universe. Picture that night sky again. Every star shining its own light, creating a masterpiece together. Each star, no matter how small or distant, adds to the beauty of the universe. Imagine how the darkness would feel without their glow. In the same way, your light matters. Your presence, your energy, and your unique gifts are essential to the world's tapestry. You were born with a unique light, your talents, dreams, and passions. These are not accidents or coincidences, they are the very things that make you irreplaceable. When you look up at the stars, remember that you too are meant to shine in your own way, to inspire others just by being yourself. Your purpose is to become the most authentic version of yourself. It's not about fitting in or following someone else's path. It's about embracing your quirks, your strengths, and even your flaws. When you stand tall in your truth, you become a beacon for others searching for their own light. The journey to wealth is a journey back to your own heart. True abundance starts from within. When you honor your values, listen to your intuition, and nurture your spirit. Every step you take toward self-discovery brings you closer to a life of meaning and fulfillment. Peel away doubt and fear, renovate your beliefs, and let the sun shine in. Imagine opening the windows of your soul and allowing fresh air and light to flood in. Let go of old stories that no longer serve you and make space for hope, courage, and possibility. Take responsibility, plant kindness, give freely, and keep learning. Every act of generosity, every lesson learned, and every seed of kindness you plant will grow into something beautiful. The more you give, the more your own light expands. Build habits that guide you toward your brightest future. Small daily actions like reflection, gratitude, and movement shape who you become. Each morning is a new chance to choose growth, to move closer to your dreams, and to celebrate your progress. Don't let anyone tell you your dreams are too big. The world needs dreamers, visionaries, and those who dare to imagine more. Your dreams are the seeds of tomorrow's reality, and your courage to pursue them inspires others to do the same. The universe is infinite, and so is your potential. There are no limits to what you can achieve when you believe in yourself. Just as the stars fill the sky, your possibilities are endless, waiting for you to reach for them. Trust that you have everything you need within you. All the wisdom, strength, and creativity you seek are already inside. Take a moment to breathe, connect with your heart, and remember that you are enough, just as you are. Step out, shine boldly, and share your gifts with the world. Don't hide your light. Let it illuminate the path for others. Every time you show up authentically, you give others permission to do the same. You were born to light up the world. Now go ahead and shine. Embrace your journey, trust your light, and remember, the world is waiting for you to step into your brilliance.